The only thing we have not solved for yet is the percent. So this is the percent unknown using the percent equation. Same exact equation each time though. The part or the is equals the whole times the percent. So what percent of 135 means that's the whole 135 is 108. 108 equals 135 times, we don't know what the percent is. Using those parentheses is not necessary. I'm going to divide by 135 on each side. And remember, we will expect to get a decimal in this case. When I divide, I get 0.8. And it's very tempting to just say, okay, so the answer is 0.8. But does that make sense that it's 0.8% of 135 is 108? No, because that gave me my answer as a decimal rather than a percent. So this is the disadvantage of using the equation rather than the proportion, is that I now have to move that 2 places to the right to turn that back into a percent. So 80% would be my solution. So 80% of 135 is 108. Try this one on your own, then press play to see how you did. For this question, the is 500. The whole is 200. The percent is what I don't know. And again, it looks like I did it backwards because typically this is the smaller number and this is the larger. But it says what percent of 200, meaning that's my whole. I divide by 200 on each side. When I divide, I of course get 5 halves, or as a decimal 2.5. So what does that tell me? 250% of 200 is 500. So that's a larger number. Always turn it into a percent.